Did you know that you can earn money while doing what you want? Tama po yan. Hello everyone, my name is Kim and I am the founder of Business Expert. So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo how to turn your passion into profit. So kung naghahanap ka ng mapagkikitaan habang ginagawa yung gusto mo, this video is for you. Alam niyo ba na maraming studies and entrepreneurs na nagsasabi na ang pinakamaganda at pinakamadaling mag-start ng business is online business? Sabi nga nila, ang future ay nasa internet na. So the best time to start your online business is yesterday. And the second next is today. Ibig sabihin, wag na nating palampasin yung pagkakataon na to. Ang kagandahan sa online business, naku, kung saan ako nagsimula, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan para mag-start ng online business mo. Pangalawa, pwede mo siyang gawin kahit saan basta may internet ka lang. Pangatlo, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Pwede kang kumita ng milyon-milyon sa social media at iba pang online platform. Magpapahuli ka ba? Baka ikaw na ang susunod na milyonaryo dito.
So this is how it works. First, you need to learn, earn, grow, and empower. Una, you need to learn some skills and knowledge to build a business for you. Kailangan talaga natin ng product or service sa business. So ang kagandahan dito ay yung gagawin natin is a business for you na walang competitors, unique type of business based kung ano yung gusto mo. Opo, ikaw po ang masusunod dito. I will provide you some tools and exercises how to build the business for you. Basta yung guidelines lang natin dito is unique at wala kang kakompetensya. So next one is earn. This is the stage na paborito ng lahat. In this stage, you will earn money, of course. So we will give you the smart way how to market online and sales strategies. So when you're earning money, growth is very, very important. Part po yan siya ng business. Kasi kung hindi ka nag-grow, hindi rin nag-grow yung business mo. So I have the roadmap on how to grow your business. There is 1 to 10K, 10K to 50K na earnings, 50K to 100K na earnings, and 100K to 1M na earnings. So excited na ba kayo? Kasi ako excited na ako. And this is my favorite part, the empower. So every blessing that you have, the skills and wisdom na nabibuild mo through your journey, you also empower the people around you, yung mga tao sa paligid mo. And this is also my advocacy, that to educate dreamers that dreaming is not just for kids. Dreaming is better than turning it into reality. So if you dream to live the life to the fullest while earning money, this masterclass is for you.
May mga taong kumikita ng libo-libo at milyon-milyon sa social media. Alam ko may kakilala kang ganyan eh. Nakikita natin yan sila sa social media. So kung kaya nila, bakit hindi ikaw? So ano pa yung hinihintay mo? Let's start your journey to online success. Madaming nagtatanong sa akin, anong klaseng negosyo ba yan? Yung tanong ko sa'yo, anong negosyo ba yung gusto mo? Gusto mo bang kumita habang natutulog? Gusto mo bang kumita habang nag-enjoy? Kahit ano pa yan, this masterclass will teach you the tools and skills on how to build your dream business. So sa masterclass na to, hindi lang tayo matututo, kundi tutulungan kayo kung paano mag-build ng personal business plan para lang sa'yo. Good news is, pwede siyang part-time at pwede siyang full-time. So, bawat hakbang, sasamahan kita. I will guide you and train you to build skills and knowledge on how to be successful in your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? And the wonderful news is kikita ka pa habang ginagawa mo yung gusto mo. You're living while you're earning. Imagine that life. At syempre, napaka-importante yung presyo kasi alam ko naman sa panahon ngayon. Kaya ginawa ko siyang abot kaya ng lahat. So for only 250 pesos, oo, 250 pesos lang po siya, makaka-access ka na ng masterclass ko. Pero bilisan nyo lang kasi baka tumaas yung presyo at limited lang po yung slots na binibigay ko. Kaya ano pa yung hinihintay mo? Mag-enroll ka na sa masterclass ko at let's begin your journey to financial freedom. Kita-kita tayo sa masterclass ko. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.